Okie dokie, let's have a quick go at 32 then. Here it is. Y equals x to the half, bracket, times x minus 1. So we need the bracket rule, so I'll put it down the bottom. A times b plus c. You draw two lines for that to expand the bracket. You get ab plus ac. There's the rule. Two lines. You're going to expect two terms from coming out from that. Line 1 and line 2. Alright? So let's do the same thing here then with these lines 1 and 2. So the first one, let's put the 1 there to explicitly specify that x is x to the power 1. That's what we mean when we say x. So the first line, x to the half times x to the 1. And then the second line, you've got minus 1 lot of x to the half. It's easier to write it that way around, isn't it? Easier on the eye. So now we can use the properties of indices. Times, you add, remember, x to the b is x to the a plus b. There we go. Times you add the powers of the index. So here, half plus 1 is x to the 3 over 2, 1.5 in other words, minus x to the half. There we go. Because we don't usually write one lot off, we just put minus the object. So that's tidied up then. Tidied. Now we can do the differentiation long last. There we go. Let's do that then. Do by dx. Differentiate the left, denoted by do by dx. 3 over 2 comes down because it's a power, isn't it? X to the 1 less than 3 over 2, which is a half. Then the second term, run along to the second term, because we do term by term differentiation. The half comes down to be with the minus. X to the 1 less than a half, which is minus a half. There we go. So that's derivative. That's fine. Full marks would be given for that, but I'd like to tidy it up a little bit to make it easier on the eye. So I'd like to write d by dx equals 3 over 2x to the half minus 1 over 2. And I'm going to drag that down using the properties of indices. When you flip it down underneath, you have to, when you move it down underneath ground level, so to speak, you have to flip the sign of the index. There is the rule. So let's move that down. Flip the minus half to a plus half, so I can write half there. So that's also right. Extra few seconds to do that as well. Yeah? So both marked correct. It's fine. So that's 32 done. Done and dusted. Great.